Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest experience and see fewer ads, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on ads off Pinterest directly from your privacy and data settings in the Pinterest app. This quick guide will help you limit ad personalization and enjoy a more streamlined browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we'll need. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture at the top of the screen. This will bring you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see all your saved pins and boards. Now look for your profile picture at the very top and tap on it once again. This opens up your account options and gives you access to more detailed settings. From here, scroll down and find the Privacy and Data section. Tap on it to enter the privacy settings. This is where you can manage how Pinterest uses your information, including how it personalizes the ads you see. Under the Ads Personalization section, you'll see an option labeled Ads Off Pinterest. To reduce personalized ads, simply toggle this option on. By doing this, you're telling Pinterest not to use your activity to show you ads based on your interests or what you do outside the app. Keep in mind, enabling ads off Pinterest won't remove all ads from your feed, but it will limit how targeted those ads are. You'll see fewer ads that are tailored to your browsing habits, making your Pinterest experience feel less cluttered and more about what you care about. And that's it. You've just taken a big step toward a more private and focused Pinterest feed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more ways to customize your social media experience. Thanks for watching,